I use this polyester flat cord for my bag. A link for this yarn is in a description. Also, I used a crochet hook 3.5 millimeters for this cord, scissors and markers for pieces. Make a slip knot and 49 chains. You can make as many chains as you want. It depends on the size of the bag you need. Round 1, skip the first loop and make 47 single crochets. Three single crochets in the last loop. "47 single crochet on the other side of the chain. Three single crochets in the last loop again. Insert the marker into the first loop of 3 single crochets on both sides. If you don't want to count the loops in each round, round to 47 single crochets, 3 increases to single crochets in one loop. Then 47 single crochets and 3 increases again. Round 3, 47 single crochets. Then make increase and single crochet. Repeat this combination 3 times. "47 single crochet again, then increase and single crochet. Repeat 3 times. Crochet as many rounds as you need. Just add 1 single crochet after increase in each round. I crocheted 9 rounds in total. Here is a pattern. Round 10, make a slip stitch. Chain 1. Single crochet in the same loop back loop only, and chain 2. Then make double crochets back loop only, till the end of the round. Round 11, make a slip stitch. Chain 1. Single crochet in the same loop, and chain 2. Make an extra chain. Skip 1 loop and make a double crochet in the next loop. Chain 1, skip 1 loop again, and make a double crochet in the next loop. Repeat it till the end of the round. After the last double crochet, make 1 chain. Then a slip stitch in the second chain of 3. 1 single crochet in the same loop, chain 2. Double crochets till the end of the round. Don't make DC in a chain, make it in the hole under chain. Round 12, make a slip stitch in the first loop. Chain 1. Single crochet in the same loop. And chain 3. Repeat a double crochet and 1 chain again. Repeat the last 2 rounds until you get the desired height of the back. I crocheted 33 rounds in total. The last round must has double crochet and chain. Round 34, a slip stitch, chain 1, single crochets. You also need to put markers in the loops where the handles will be. Make single crochets until you reach the first marker. Then crochet as many chains as you need. I have 79 chains. You have to have an odd number of chains. Then crochet single crochets until the next marker. Make chains again. Crochet single crochets till the end of the round. Round 35, make a slip stitch, chain 1. Single crochet in the same loop. And chain 2. Make a double crochet in every loop including chains. Round 36, a slip stitch in the first loop, chain 1. Single crochet in the same loop and 3 chains. Skip a loop and make a double crochet in the next loop. Chain 1, skip 1 loop again, and make a double crochet in the next loop. Repeat it till the end of the round. Round 37, a slip stitch in the first loop, chain 1. Single crochet in the same loop and 2 chains. Make double crochets till the end of the round. Cut the yarn and make an imitation of a loop. You can do it with a crochet hook or a needle. Just look at my movements. Fasten off the tail and hide it. Our bag is ready. Thank you for crocheting with me, and see you in the next video.